So, what do you guys think? I really like it. Very adjustable. You can adjust the screen, you can tilt it up and down. You can move it up, down, and you can also turn it sideways as well. This way, that way. It's a really flexible base, really solid and easy to assemble. I really like it. The screen looks really nice. The plastic seems quite high quality, which I like. So I've got one for myself, which is the 27-inch version of this one. I think it is a really good screen, and for the price I think it is quite reasonable. So well, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and just give it a like. So I know that my unboxing videos are actually helpful for the people who watch them. Thanks for watching again. See you next time.